Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove TikTok you may like suggestion. So as you can see, I'm actually on the page where you are going to see the suggestions. So the first thing you have to do is you have to refresh it just like this, and if after you refresh it and you don't still like what you are seeing there, you still have to go to your profile.
Leeds United could face punishment after
right
Tottenham
here,
Hotspur players had
profile.
objects thrown at them as the
Click
FA now launch a probe. Pedro Porro was
Click
hit
on it, and this is my profile. The next step you are going to take, and you have to click on this 3 horizontal line up right on your screen, and you click on it. Then you click on settings. You click on your settings and privacy right here. Click on it, and the next thing you are going to do, you have to click on your notification right here. You click on notification, and what you have to do is scroll up a little bit right here. As you can see all this, you just have to turn them off totally. Then the next thing you are going to do is you go back to your suggestions and check if that is what you like. But if after this you try it out and it doesn't work out, the next thing you're going to do, you just have to scroll down, and you can see this right here, help us improve. So you just have to click on help us improve, and this is what you're going to do. So you just have to select, and you can now click on submit right here. Once you click on submit, it's going to be submitted and you won't see those suggestions again. So this is actually how to remove your TikTok you may like suggestions. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.